This is beautiful. We found a new spot and it is too gorgeous. I'm going to bring my daughter here for a mom and daughter coffee time, and she's going to love it here. She hasn't actually been here. I can't believe she's lived here for 2 years.
Cool.
Welcome to Jaunty Van Life, travelling through South Africa. Full-time van lifers, Cindy and Graham.
Stop.
Living the youth of our old age, enjoying every moment.
Some of us have got to climb up there. This place is called the Grand Exotic.
So here we are at a new place we've just found. Gorgeous, beautiful.
The steps that go into the dome of this beautiful place. We see all these exotic places and things that are themed all around here. It's like we're from another galaxy or something. Beautiful old stuff, and wow, so nicely put out. This owner built this place with all the spares and things he had collected over the years, and it became his exotic empire. Nice scones, chocolate cake as well, can't wait. Dome building, we look in awe at all the different arrangements. This is so wonderful, and it's antiquated like we like. Amazingly set out, beautiful place. Jewelry, whatever you're looking for.
Morning, Graham.
Morning.
Where are we, Graham?
We out in the Bundes here. No, we had a new place that Cindy found. Even the daughter doesn't know it.
It's exotic at something.
Yeah, I can't remember the name of it. But we'll have it in a video, you can have a look. Over here it's very nice. And I see a sign in the back that says 3 Trees Tea.
Never heard of 3 Trees Tea. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the beautiful garden here. We're sitting by our fountain. And the noise, the fountain.
Buildings are nicely muraled there, and you can imagine what's happening in the other side of the gate there. Good.
So great, and what's going on here?
Putting some sugar in.
You can't see how small it is, it's stiff. It's like a little titchy. You can't see how small it is. It doesn't show. And, okay, so this is our beautiful cakes. How about that? Graham, what do you say about this?
I'd say it's going down the hole.
Where's it going?
Down the hole.
Oh, it's down the hole.
That looks good.
Okay.
We thought we'd show some footage of what it's like inside the dome. The top there, you can see it's all round, and there's a chandelier hanging down, beautifully done. Also, you can see all the sitting areas. It's beautifully set out that you can have a party here if you really wanted to. Stained glass that looks so beautiful, and then we went around and we saw this parrot, but it just didn't want to talk to us. Pretty boy, pretty boy. We looked at the walls and the doors and everything. It's so ancient and old and it's creative. This is art. I wanted a peekaboo in the window here. Let's see what's there. On venturing off to the one side of this building, we actually saw an event area. This is the entrance to the conference center with beautiful ambience and lovely chandeliers and lighting. This is a tour, and you can see the ambience as the lights are dimmed down and you have a cozy area. So it's very pleasant and quite satisfying to have your little events here. Okay, so here we are at Turkish Deli. Going to come and have a look and see here. Beautiful.
After the Drakensberg. Oh, look how gorgeous it is.
Look at that cloud.
How small again? Wow. Hello.
Hello.
Driving.
Yeah, and where are we?
We're near to where we're going.
But where?
Drakensberg.
Where is this?
This is Turkish. It's a Deli.
still.
But there's a whole lot of shops.
Yeah, there's a whole lot of shops and everything, but we came for the Deli, which is over there.
Yeah, I have to show this beautiful park. This is dinner tonight. How's this beautiful park?
I can't see anything.
This is for dinner. I'm handling Graham's pie now. Look at this.
Beautiful.
That's from the Deli.
And it with care, eh? Because
And
I'll
it's
eat
hot.
yours if you don't
Maybe
miss
we
it.
should eat our dinner
No.
early. Hot.
We might. Not now. Not dinner time.
Here's another ball. Here's a pink ball. Oh wow, sorry, I just have to show. You know, I've got Graham's phone here, but look at this beautiful shop inside. All gorgeous stuff. So this is a great place to visit if you're going to the Drakensberg. Come see the pink ball. I think I want to be next to the pink ball. I didn't switch it off, man. I want to talk about the pink ball because it's just different. This canvas. Look how gorgeous it is.
Hello everybody.
Hi.
We've decided that this is as far as the video is going to go. Otherwise we're going to show you the whole of South Africa. So enjoy, like, share and comment. Please comment and subscribe if you can. Over to Cindy.
Yeah, so thank you for watching, and we now have moved from Salt Rock and we next at the Drakensberg.
Yep.
So, and then we at another place. So yeah, follow us on our journey and you'll
we'll catch you at 5 o'clock on
Yes.
Sunday afternoon. Goodbye. God bless. Bye.
from Cindy and Graham.